Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm showing you how I created a portfolio page from scratch. First I searched the keywords that I had ranked for on client website. I searched, refined and kept checking. I think there were around 14 keywords in total. There were more, but I picked the top ones that were worth showing. Then I took screenshots of all those rankings, saved them and renamed the files properly so everything stays organized. After that, I copied the text of all those keywords, basically the actual keyword phrases I ranked for. Then I went to ChatGPT and gave it a prompt, told it I want to build a portfolio for search by Dua based on these keywords. It generated the content for me, and then I did some tweaking, made sure the tone is right, clean it up and finalize it. After finalizing the content, I opened my website where I already had a bunch of drafts saved, probably 30 plus. I went through those drafts and selected the portfolio template I wanted to work on. I copied the dummy text from the template and told ChatGPT to rewrite my content using the same structure and text length, so it fits the theme and looks clean. Once I had that version, I moved to Canva to design the blog image, or you can call it the portfolio thumbnail. After downloading it, I did image optimization. The file was more than 1000 KB, so I compressed it, then converted to WebP format to make sure it loads faster on my site. Then I went back to the portfolio page, set the template, added the title, slug and tags. After that, I placed the finalized content in all the right sections. Next, I move on to the screenshots. I optimized those too, compressed them, converted them to the WebP, and then uploaded everything to the media gallery. After uploading, I added proper alt text to every image for SEO, then placed all the screenshots where they were needed in the portfolio. Once all the images and content were placed, I did a final check and the page was ready. That's how I created this portfolio page from scratch. Thanks for watching, and if you're enjoying this process, make sure to stick around for more behind the scenes stuff here on Search by Dua.